Download the PDF file of this course from the given website. In the PDF file, there are 2 pages which you can use to make your puzzle pieces. The pages are titled Tangram pieces in black and Tangram pieces in colour. Select the page that you want to use for your pieces and print that page on your printer. Once you have the printed pages, cut the pieces out with a pair of scissors. If you want thicker pieces, glue the paper onto a piece of cardboard and then cut it out. You should now have 7 pieces for your puzzle. The rules of the puzzle are very simple. You are given a black shape and you have to use all 7 pieces to create that shape. Pieces need to be side by side and not overlapping. As a hint, if you have difficulty in piecing together the shape, invert the black puzzle shape and try again. Sometimes this helps. Give it a try. Look at the problem from a different perspective.